You have the power to create any reality you desire in your mind. Your mind is so powerful. You are a creator. Everything in your life, you put it there in your mind. You created it and put it there. Many people do not like to hear this, because their lives are not that great. You realize that you create your reality. By focusing on what you really want, you can create it. It is important to know what you really want to do. This will be your reality. When you realize how powerful your mind is, when you really know what you want to do, you can do it. You have to know what you want to do. You must be specific to the smallest detail. Then you can have what you want in your life. You can create your own reality. The power of the mind is truly remarkable. It has the ability to shape and mold the world around us. When we understand the potential of our minds, we realize that we have the ability to create our own reality. This concept may be unsettling for some, especially for those who are not satisfied with their current circumstances. However, the truth remains that we are the architects of our own lives. To create the reality we desire, we must first understand what it is that we truly want. This requires a deep level of self-awareness and introspection. We must be able to articulate our desires with clarity and precision. It is not enough to have a vague idea of what we want. We must be specific in our intentions. When we have a clear understanding of our goals, we can begin to manifest them into reality. The process of creating our own reality requires focus and determination. We must be unwavering in our commitment to our vision. There will undoubtedly be obstacles and challenges along the way, but it is our unwavering belief in our ability to create our reality that will see us through. It is important to remain steadfast in our determination, even when faced with adversity. Creating our own reality also requires action. We cannot simply wish for something to happen. We must actively work towards our goals. This may involve making difficult decisions, taking risks, and stepping outside of our comfort zone. However, it is through these actions that we begin to see our reality take shape. It is important to remember that creating our own reality is not a passive process. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to take responsibility for our lives. We cannot blame external circumstances for our reality. We must recognize that we have the power to change it. When we realize the incredible power of our minds, we understand that we have the ability to create the life we desire. By focusing on our goals, being specific in our intentions, and taking action, we can manifest our dreams into reality. We have the power to shape our own destiny and create the reality we desire. It is a profound realization that empowers us to take control of our lives and live with purpose and intention. We have the ability to create our own reality, and it is up to us to make it a reality.